Hey, I wanted to give a quick update about the Magpie project and all of the things that have been going on with it. To begin, I'm making build guide videos. I'm also making a written build guide. Build guide videos take a long time, and in the case of the written instructions, it's not a skill that I've got. I've got to cultivate it as I go, but I want to make sure that it's good and that if you follow it from beginning to end, you end up with a working printer. So that's what I'm up to now. It's taking long enough to where I think I need to be making regular updates about other things. And I'm excited to talk about the community today because they have done some really cool things. So let's start. We've got a mod site now. You can go to magpiemods.com and you can see all the mods that have been submitted by users on our GitHub. This is all thanks to C. Drakars on our Discord, and you can see his GitHub profile picture here. This is a wonderful tool, and it's going to make modding magpies so much easier for people. And of course, with a mod site, you'd think there'd be some way to submit mods. And you'd be right, there is. Just go to the GitHub, go to the mod section, and you'll see all the requirements necessary to submit a mod. The steps are basically make a subfolder, make a readme.md, and include a step file. It's not that crazy. Hey, look, somebody submitted a mod. Wonder when that happened. You should check it out. It gives the Magpie independent motors so it can use Z-tilt like a Trident, because I'll do anything to make people on Reddit happy. But this video isn't about me, it's about Magpie mods. And boy, has Rob K from our Discord made a bunch. He's made the most, like basically all of them. In fact, he's made so many that he alone accounts for 71% of the mods in this video, which coincidentally is the same amount of our planet covered by water. So I guess what I'm trying to say here is that Rob's about as unstoppable as the almighty Poseidon. Anyway, let's get to talking about the mods. First up is the BL Touch mod. This is a really big deal because it's such a popular Z probe, and I happen to have a ton of them laying around myself. I don't know why I didn't design this. The mod consists of an easy-to-install mounting bracket that interfaces with the rear of the Magpie's toolhead. It's also compatible with the Sherpa Mini mod, so you can Sherpa while you BL Touch. Let's move on to the X and Y in-stop mod, also by Rob K. The default version of the Magpie uses sensorless homing, but if your stepper drivers don't support sensorless homing, then not to fear, Rob K's got you. Knock knock, who's there? It's a screen for the Magpie. And it's a pretty cheap one too. This comes from some company I can't pronounce. Fizzets? Ficets? Ficets? Regardless, it's a reasonably affordable display that gives the Marlin dial experience, and we love that. Next, I want to talk about a mod that isn't so much a mod as much as it is three mods. The LED light bar brackets, and USB camera bracket mod. This mod gives you the ability to mount a camera and properly light the build plate. According to Rob K, he mostly uses his Magpie remotely, so having extra lights and a webcam is nice, and I can't say I disagree. The last mod I want to talk to you about is the Z-axis mod, which lets you use a stepper motor without a lead screw coming out of it to drive the entire Z-axis, because not everybody has a lead screw stepper laying around. That's all the mods for today. I want to thank everybody who submitted a mod and is printing Magpies and is working on this project with me. It's extremely gratifying to know that I'm not the only one that cares so deeply about this project. So, coming next, I'm going to continue on the build guide. I'm going to continue on the build guide videos. I don't know when they're going to come out. It's going to have to be a sort of iterative process of releasing what I can when I have it. And I really appreciate you guys bearing with me, and I really appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching the video. You can like or subscribe, or don't. Really what I need for you to do is get involved in the community, get in the GitHub, get in the Discord, follow us on Blue Sky. Let's get a team going. Let's make it a team effort. Let's make printers available for everybody. Scan that QR code. Click that QR code. I'm gonna keep yapping until it goes away. Build a printer. Get in my Discord. Come on, we miss you. Don't wait. Don't wait to scan it. Don't wait to click it. There's no penalty for waiting. I wouldn't do that to you, but don't do it.